Hi guys, it's MsTiffany. Welcome to another video. It's probably about 10 o'clock at night, give or take. It's after work and I got some packages in the mail. So today I have my Sephora package, as you can see. I did order some stuff on Sephora and it was supposed to be a little mini sample of the stuff that looks like Windex bottles. I've been seeing them all over YouTube and I'm absolutely loving them. And then I got a free sample, but I was also supposed to get a thing that had, it was a kit, and it had highlighter, contouring, and some bronzer in it. But it said it was online, and it said they had it in stock, and then when I went to receive my shipping information, it was out of order. I called, and it was wacko. I don't know what's going on. And we're also going to be talking about some freebie samples that I have in the mail today, that I got in the mail today. And so let's start with the Sephora stuff. So in Sephora we got this little mini package. I don't know if you can see it. The light might be shining on it. But this is what it looks like. It looks like little mini Windex. And it's perfume. And that's the name brand of it. Sorry guys for the lighting. That's the name brand of it. And then I'm going to open it, and we're going to open it together, should I say. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can see me better. So we're going to open it together, guys. If I can get it open, you know how I am terrible with packages. But I've seen this all over YouTube, and I thought it was so cute. Look at me, tear it up, tear it up, tear it up. I thought it was so cute because it looks like Windex bottles. Don't that look so cute? That one looks like a true Windex bottle, but that looks like a girly version. So I will tell you what it smells like. Let's get it open. Yes, the packaging. It also has these with it, which I'm not sure exactly what this is. Oh my gosh, is that not so cute? This is so cute. Look. And it is glass, but look how cute that is. Is that not really cute, guys? I wish it would focus, 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 focus. But is that not the cutest? You got that one. And then you got this one. And this one looks more like a little girly bottle. But those are so cute. I'm keeping those bottles. I don't care what happens. I'm keeping the bottles. Man. This smells really good. Sorry. It smells really good. But see, when you take the cap off, it's just like that. Well, I figured the little cap would squirt. Oh man, I'm kind of disappointed. I figured it would squirt. Oh well, it don't. But it's still really cute, and I'm keeping the packaging afterwards. Now, let's see what this other stuff is with it. I don't know. It might be a box that holds it. Or it might be a bigger piece. I don't know. Because online, it did not show that it came with it. Or it might have, and I didn't see it. Let's see what's in here, guys. It's something shaky here. So it might actually be the little squirty thing in there. Oh no, how cute. Look. Look, guys. Look, guys, it gets its own little stand. Now how cute is that? Look. That's going to set in my little makeup collection. I'm going to use it. But ain't that cute? I don't understand. I don't know if you can tell. I don't understand. Why is that full? And this is like it's missing some. See? See? The fullness difference? Yeah, this one looks like it's missing some. Maybe some kind of leaked out somewhere. It shouldn't have. Okay, there's the little box for that. Then you got another little box, which looks like this. That's the box for that. And of course, it's just another little stand. Those are so adorable. Those are really cute. They smell good. That's all that matters. I'm gonna smell. I smelled the pink one, and I know it smells really good. Let's see what this one smells like, guys. I wish you had smell-o-vision so you could smell it, but you can't. They both smell like really fresh and clean. And I guess that's all that matters. They are called fresh. The freshest scent. Those are cute. I just wish I'd have known they were bigger. If I'd have known they were that small for that price, I would have probably not bought it because that's expensive. Okay, so and then I got a freebie in here, which is Lancome Paris. For your eyes, youth activating eyes. That's what the packaging looks like, which I'm not too care. Well, I don't care, but those I bought for the packaging. That's just all there is to it. Oh, and by the way, sorry about the mess in my bedroom. I don't know if you can really see it. Oh, there's Bill Bob. Look at Bill. Can you see? Can you see? Bill Bob. Bill Bob. That's my baby. But, sorry for the mess. I'm going through my room and getting rid of a bunch of clothes and trying on because I'm losing a bunch of weight. But here it is. This is the little packaging. It was just a little sample that came with it. Focus. I wish it was focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. It don't like me. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Let's smell it and see if it smells any good. I don't really have a smell, but we're going to try it out on my arm. Well, we might be trying it out if it'll come out. Well, dang. Cheapies. They give you a freebie and they don't even give you enough in it. And what about that? Oh, there it is. It says cream. It says cream smoothing eye. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, yeah. That's. I don't know. You won't be able to see it on my hand. I don't know if you can see this shine. Oh yeah, right there. See it? See it right there? That's it. That's what it looks like. Just clear. I don't know why I'm running clear stuff on my hand, but I'm trying it out so you'll know. That is. Smells really good. Looks really good. That's gonna be good. And I bet you it's probably expensive probably expensive. But it's a good sample, it's a good try, and then if I like it, I can buy some more. But this is really good. That's what I got from Sephora. And then I got some freebies in the mail because I use this service on Facebook, and it's called Free Samples or something. And what they do is every time they get a freebie, they send it to us in an email or on like text messaging. Like text messaging, woohoo! You got a text message. Or like a message on Facebook. And it lets you know what freebies are. And then you get to sign up and get them. I also use Free Shark, which I've talked about in the past. But this one is Pure Clean, Mask Clarifying, and Smooth. This is L'Oreal Paris. So you know if it's L'Oreal, then more than likely it's going to be in a drugstore somewhere, and it's going to be where it's affordable. But here's what it is. It says, ooh, look at this, guys. I got a $2 off coupon. And this says, 3 purifying clay. It's a mask, and exfoliating, and it's supposed to be really good, and it's a lemon mask. So if it's a lemon mask, you know it's going to smell good. But that's my sample. That's my freebie. And then they give you a coupon so you can try it. They also have different kinds of masks. The lemon mask, the seaweed mask, charcoal, red clay, and I don't know that word, guys, but whatever that word is. I don't know if you can see it. Those are the masks, and that's going to be really fun to try out. I'm really going to like that. This is, I don't know what this is, but it looks like a good size. It's a good size sample pack. Let's just see what's in it. I think it's shampoo. I don't know. But we'll find out in a minute because we're opening it together. Oh yeah, this is a good sample. Okay. So this is this brand. That brand. And it says, start visibly healing severe damaged hair. Ooh, yeah. Now I've used stuff like this in the past because my mother-in-law had some and I used it. And this stuff is really good for your hair. And I got it, you can get it at Walmart because I did look for it. And I know they have like the gray bottle at Walmart and it's like $13 a bottle. That's high. But if you really like your hair and really like taking care of it and like it feeling good, then this is what this is. It says, shampoo gently cleans and penetrates the hair fibers, starting at the damaged healing process. So, silicone free shampoo pairs hair for deep conditioning. After one use, hair is stronger, and then conditioner smooths imperfections while bringing out strength with a weightless, lightweight effort that targets your damaged hair. So this is supposed to be for damaged hair. Lightweight, sample packet just to try. If you like it, then you can go buy it. I don't see, they didn't send me no coupon, but I can try it, and if I like it, then there it is. This is what it looks like. This is my sample, and it's, like I said, it's from that website on Facebook. I will definitely link the information down in the box below for the little samples, and I can't really, the minis, I can't really, well, I can link that in there, but it won't be the sample. And then I can link this stuff in there for you, so if you want to buy it. But that's all I have. I just wanted to do an unboxing and do some reviews and let you know what I got. And that's all I got. Until next time, thank you for joining Miss Tiffany's Bite Size Live. Thank you. Bye. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Please check the information in the box below.